apple, mango, pineapple, banana, orange, pomegranate, strawberry, grapes, watermelon, muskmelon, grapefruit, peach, plum, custard apple, blueberry, papaya, guava, pear, kiwi, lychee, now kids, let's find the correct answer. Who I am? I am guava. Guess who I am? I am muskmelon. I am a tasty fruit. Guess who I am? I am banana. I am rich source of vitamin C. Who I am? I am strawberry. Guess who I am? Yes, I am orange.